my name is Surbhi Saxena and today I'm going to tell you about US CMA. What is US CMA? Well, it is Certified Management Accountant course. Now, US CMA is a global certified management accountant course, and at GCEC we provide you BCom Honors Management Accounting, where we teach you along with graduation in BCom with this course of Certified Management Accountant. Now, what is the scope of CMA? Well, being it is a global certified course, it is just not limited to domestic area of India. Well, at global level also, you can get jobs as a budget analyst or a corporate or division planner or even as a financial planner. Yes, with this management accountant course, the opportunities as a data analyst also gets opened. Now, what is the another USP of GCEC at USCMA? Now, we provide just not BCom, we are paperless college, number one. Secondly, we have 3 years of practical experience. That means along with the theoretical, you get a practical exposure for your entire 3 years of college journey. And therefore, when you become a graduate, you get not a graduation degree just, but a CMA certification and a practical experience as well. Now, let's move a little bit more about USCMA. What else is about USCMA? In this particular course, you have to give only 2 exams. Yes, you heard it absolutely correct. Part 1 and Part 2 exam. Now, USCMA provide you a detailed course about management accounting, then financial accounting, law, and apart from that, ethics as well. And so that means by doing this particular course, you just not limited to management accounting, but you get a detailed knowledge about accounting, law and ethics as well. At GCEC, apart from 36 months of practical training experience, you get guidance from experts in this particular field. So for what you are waiting, just go and apply for our BCom Honors in Management Accountant course. Thank you.